Which of the following is true about ratio data values? Ratio data values, they allow most if not all forms of arithmetic computation. Multiplication and division of values are possible. They have a natural zero value, and continuous fields can have ratio data values. The option all of the above is the correct answer. So in scales of measurement or measurement of scale, there are different data, 4 actually. One of them is the ratio data. Now this is ratio data. It's measured along a numerical scale. The distances have to be equal and they have to be adjacent and has to have a true zero. Now let me tell you, these are the 4 properties of a ratio data. It is first of all measured. They are ordered from ascending or descending. They are equidistant, that is they will have an equal distance between them, and they will have a meaningful zero from where we have started. Now we have a true zero in ratio data. We have nominal, ordinal, ratio, discrete kind of data. So this ratio data is having a true zero. The zero represents an absence of the variable. Since I'm talking about 0 and above, there will be no negative values in the ratio data or ratio scale of measurement. And here we can have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division also possible. Now let me give you an example here. Now if you say that this is 3 meter, this is 6 meter from 0. That is 3 meter and this 6 meter distance someone has covered. Now you can start with 0. You are starting with 0. You can compare this 3 and 9 and 3 and 6. You can divide them. You can take a ratio. Say 9 by 3, it's 3 times. 6 by 3, it's 2 times. So this is the ratio we are talking about. So ratio data is measured along a numerical scale that has equal distance, having adjacent values and have a true zero. For example, the income if I take, so 20k, it can be 40k, it can be 60k, but the 60k is 3 times 20k. So you start with a 0, that is somebody may have no income. So 0 is very important in ratio scale, and comparison also is very important in this scale, 60 by 20. So you can say that 61 is getting more than 23 times.